video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your saved translation. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on Google Apps and then click Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Now to see your saved translations, go ahead and click Saved. You can see that this bar will appear over here. This is your saved translation. So to unsave it, go ahead and click on the star again and it will be unselected. You can even sort it according to alphabetical order or date, and you can copy it or export it to sheets as well. So all you have to do is click on the Sheets icon over here and it will open up a new Google Sheets data. So go ahead and click import the data over here and it will take some time, and you can see it has been imported and you can use it. So all you need to do is click saved and you can see this appears. You can even listen to it. And then you can sort it by alphabetical order, date, and you can export it to Google Sheets. Now to delete all of it, go ahead and click clear all saved by clicking on this 3 lines over here and then click delete. So that's how you see your saved in Google Translate. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the voice speed in Google Translate. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on this icon over here and then click on Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now opened. Now to change your voice speed, click on this settings and you can see the voice speed over here. There are 3 options: normal, slow and slower. You can go ahead and try them and you can click test to test it.
This is what the slow speed sounds like. This is what the slow speed
And then
sounds
you can choose
like.
it according to your wish. After choosing it, it will automatically be saved, and after you translate something over here, you can listen to it and the voice speed will increase or decrease after you press it over here and you change it. So this is how you change your voice speed in Google Translate. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can listen to the sentences that you have just translated using Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on the Google Apps and then click Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Go ahead and click Detect Language and write down whatever you want. After writing down, you can select the detected language or the dedicated language over here. After you choose it, you can click on this listen and then these sentences will be recited. You can even do this for here, so click it and listen to it.
Hey, I am a friend of his emperor.
You can change the voice speed going over here and clicking over here, and then you can do it the same for this one too.
अहो मी त्याच्या सम्राटाचा मित्र आहे.
This way, your pronunciations and your language will be more better using Google Translate after you recite or listen to these sentences that you have just translated. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable auto-delete history in Google Translate. Go ahead and open Google Translate on your device or your Chrome or Edge browser and you can click on History. After you click on History, you can see this bar open up. Go ahead and click Manage All Activity. Now you can see the auto-delete over here. Go ahead and click on it and then click Auto-Delete Activity Older Than. Now you have to set it, so you can set it according to your wish and then click Next. You can click Confirm and then your history will be deleted. So this is only the Google Translate history, so you can go ahead and do this and then your history will be deleted automatically according to the time you have set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your history in Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on this box which says Google Apps and then click Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Now to delete the history, click on History. You can see the history over here. You can click and remove history individually, or you can just click Clear All History. You can see that no past translations are available now. Let me show it to you once again, guys. All you can do is click on History and click Clear History once your history appears. I hope this video about how you can delete or clear your history in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can see your history in Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on Google Apps and then click on Translate. Now you can see the history button which is on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click it, and this is your history. If you have a long history, you can scroll down and you can see all of your history. So let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and open Google and then click on this three box over here and then click Translate. Now you can see history. Click it and this is your history. You can even save it as favorite and you can find it later. I hope this video about how you can see your history in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can send feedback in your Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Then click on this Google Apps button and then click Translate. You can see that Google Translate is open. Now, to send feedback, click this line over here which says Send Feedback. It will open a separate box over here. Now describe your feedback. Let's suppose you don't like the interface of Google Translate and want some changes. Go ahead and write something like this. After writing something like this, go ahead and click Capture Screenshot, click Allow, and then you can see that the screenshot has been captured. You can highlight or hide the info, and then we can click We may email you for some information or updates. This way you will get some emails from Google Translate, and then click Send. This way you can send feedback to Google about Google Translate. They might or might not reply back to you, but you have sent them the feedback and they might have seen it and it might be done quite soon. I hope this video about how you can send feedback in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate using your voice. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on this button over here. Click on Google Apps and then click Translate. Now you can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Now to translate using your voice, go ahead and click on Translate by Voice, which is this microphone button, and you must allow your microphones. So click on Allow and speak whatever you want and it will be translated. But you must make sure that the dedicated language over here must be chosen according to your wish. So go ahead and click Allow and start translating. Hello, I love cats. And you can see that it has been detected. Let's skip it to English and let's do it once again, guys. Hello, my name is XYZ. I am from Bhutan. And to stop it, just click Stop Translation And you can see that on the right hand side, you can click on any language you want and it will be translated. So all you need to do is click on translate by voice. I love cats and I love dogs too. After you're done, click stop translation by voice. And you can see that it has been translated and it will make your time efficiency more better. And then you can see that it will be translated perfectly. I hope this video about how you can translate by voice in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate your documents. Go ahead and open Google Chrome on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now what you need to do is click on Google Apps and click Translate. You can see the Documents option on the top of the left hand corner. Go ahead and click on Documents. You can drag or drop a document, or else you can click Browse Your Files. Click on Browse Your Files and then click on the thing you want to translate. Now after doing this, click Translate. In a while, Download Translation will appear. Go ahead and click Download Translation and you can see your file has been downloaded. Go ahead and click Open File. You can see that your file has been downloaded and it has been translated. You can do the same. All you need to do is click on Documents and then you can see the screen will appear. You can drag and drop a document or you can click Browse Your Files. You must also notice that the supported file types are Docs, PDF, PPT and Excel. So go ahead and upload these and your files will be translated. I hope this video about how you can translate your files in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate using photos in your Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com and then log into your account. Now click on the Google Apps and click on Translate. You can see that the detect language is on, so you can go ahead and click detect language and you can choose the dedicated language over here. So go ahead and choose a language and you can see images on the top left hand corner. Go ahead and click on it. You can drag and drop an image or you can just go ahead and click Browse Your Files. Now select an image with some translation in it and then you can see that it has been translated. It has been translated to Spanish, so go ahead and click Arabic and you can see that there are options and it will be converted accordingly. So you can see that image didn't have translation available in Tehavi, so it didn't translate it. So there are some options to translate. You can choose them and then you can translate using photos. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below.